Telegram is more than just a messaging app in 2025. It is literally a communication powerhouse. Every year, Telegram quietly adds features that completely change how we chat, work, and build communities. This is Telegram Awards 2025, the top 10 Telegram features that actually matter, and we'll be trying out real demos and examples so you can also try them out and judge for yourself. Stick around because feature number 1 is a game changer for those who use multiple devices. Feature 10, Best Organization Tool. If your Telegram is so messy, this feature will save you out. And the award in this category goes to Chat Folder. Now this is what it does. It lets you organize chats into categories like work, personal, channels, bots, crypto, groups, and let's try out this demo. Right now we'll be using a phone or PC. Some features are just on your mobile phone and other features on your PC. So let's look straight into the PC since it has a wider display, and if I'm using a PC, just know that the feature is available on your mobile phone. Heading over to the settings, then heading over to folders. Here I already have personal folder and unread folder. But again, I can create a folder right here. I'll select the category of chats that will go inside this folder. Let's give it a name as maybe work. Yeah, so you can add chats if you want, and we can customize the color of our chat. Then after you create, now this feature can help those that maybe have multiple Telegram channels. You can separate them and make them organized rather than being scattered all over the place. Feature 9. Now the award category is the most personal experience. Now Slogan doesn't force one to look at anyone. Now I'm giving this award to the customization feature. Now here is what it does. You can change the chat colors, themes, backgrounds, fonts, animated stickers, entire chat appearance. Now heading over to the settings, then we go to the chat settings. Here we can select the themes that we like to use in our chats, the classic day and all these themes. And we also have theme settings where I can select maybe the name color, and I can change it to basing on the color that I'm interested in. So this is for the profile, then here is for the name. I can still customize the colors of the name that I'm using. Then if I'm done, I'll just apply the changes. Then we have auto night mode. Then we have font family. Here we can select the font family that we want to use in our charts. So here we can choose the chat wallpaper, and the list goes on and on and on. Feature 8. Now the category of this award is best timing feature. Have you ever wanted to send a message to someone without interrupting them? This award goes to silent and scheduled messages. Now, this is what it does. It schedules messages for later, then sends messages silently. Now, for instance, this is my chat. If I want to send a silent message, let me try to send 1B like that. So since I'm using a computer, I'll right click on the send button and I'll select send without sound. So it has sent, the other person will not receive the message with sound. And let's try to type in hi. Now this time round, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna right click. Now we're gonna schedule this message. Let me schedule it at maybe December 17th. Then I'll schedule. So that is the message. So that's how I've scheduled this message, and this is a pretty cool feature. So let me add a bonus tip in this section. Now let me try to send hi. Sorry, I'm out of what I have to send. Then I right click, then send when online. So when I select this is our bonus. So this message will be delivered when this user comes back online, which makes this feature really handy. Now this feature is perfect for those in different time zones. In case you're maybe communicating to someone who is in different time zone, this feature will help you figure that out and make sure that you don't over interrupt people. And the other thing, it hinders you from sending those annoying reminders. You can just silence the message and send it direct to the person that you want to send to. Feature 7. Now this category is best undo button. Now Telegram itself helps you fix mistakes, even the older mistakes. So what goes to message editing and deletion feature. Now this is what it does. Edit messages at any time and delete messages for everyone. No time limit. Now in this case, let me select the message I want us to delete. Just right click on the message. If you're using a phone, you long press on your phone. Then I'll just have to delete. Then it will ask me, do you want to delete this message from the other user? Then I'll say yes. Then it has been deleted. Now the other feature, I'll have to type in 1V. Then I'll just send, maybe by accident, and the message is sent. Then I'll I had to add on tech. So what I have to do is right click, then select the option of edit. Now let me add on tech, then hit OK. So as you see the message has been edited. Feature 6. It's under the category of best private chat experience. Telegram takes your privacy serious compared to the other messaging apps. It has these self-destructing messages and two-step verification. Now I tried to look for the secret chat feature, I didn't see it. So let's try it on our mobile phone. What you're gonna do on your mobile phone is you open any chat, just go direct to the profile of the person that you wanna send a secret chat to, then open it, then after tap on the three dots menu and now start your secret chat. Now let's head over to settings and privacy and security. Then we can enable two-step verification. We can insert our password and submit. I already have a password. So, but if you're new, it will prompt you to insert your password and confirm it, and then you'll be good to go. Now this feature is called for private conversations and maybe business talks that you don't want to be exposed that easily. This will work for you. Now let's go to our feature 5. It falls under the best file transfer app. Telegram doesn't care about what file you send, and this feature is really a game changer. And this award goes to unlimited file sharing. What it does, it sends any type of file up to 2 GB per file, even more with Telegram Premium. Approximately for Telegram Premium, you can share up to 4 GB size file. Now here creators can share video files. I usually see people share series, movies on this platform. And since it's so good in downloading, I think I've done some comparisons with other platforms, but Telegram is so good with downloads, uploads. It is so good. and maybe in 2026 we shall see some differences in other platforms, but Telegram is next level. That one I appreciate. Feature 4. Now this feature 4 falls under the category of best call quality. Now Telegram calls are underrated most of the times, and if you talk of calls, people speak of other competitor platforms, for example, email and WhatsApp. But Telegram is improving day by day, and this award goes to voice and video call feature. Now, what it does, it provides a secure voice and video calls, large group video calls, screen sharing. Now here is how we can start a call. We just tap right here and call this very contact. Feature 3. This falls under the category of most powerful feature. This feature makes Telegram more smarter and even better. And the award in this category goes to bots and automation feature. What it does, bots can translate your messages, download videos, manage groups, play games, automate tasks. I designed my own bot. I did a video about that I think a year ago where I designed my own bot. Let me try to look whether I still have it. One bit tech. Alright, I created my bot using BotFather. What was sharing what we do, and I attached a PDF. If someone messages the bot, it will automatically describe what we do, and it will answer all the questions I have based on what I included in that bot. This is a really powerful feature of Telegram, and most users don't know about this feature, but it's really cool. I've tried it out. It's not only creating a bot, but there are also different bots like the Telegram instruction bot. Now in real-time use, admins can automate moderations, creators can automate content, businesses can automate support. Now feature 2 falls under the category of best community platform. Now Telegram is built for massive communities, and the award-winning feature in this category goes to large groups and channels. Now this is what it does. Groups can go up to 200,000 members. Channels for unlimited broadcasting. Now for instance, let me be like starting a new group. Then I'll select the group name. Then I click next. Now it's giving me the option to select up to 200,000 members. Then if I'm done selecting, I'll create. Then let's try creating a channel. Maybe let me name it. Okay, so I'll just click create that to create a channel. Now this is perfect for creators, businesses, crypto communities, learning groups. Now if you noticed in the entire video, I've not talked about AI, but relax. Telegram has introduced something that can help you stay on the platform while not looking for other AI platforms. Maybe if you are looking for the basic stuff or even the complex. Now this is a chatbot that combines all AI models into one chatbot. For instance, we see here we have ChatGPT 5, Gemini 3, and Banana. Now if you want to create anything, generate images, generate video generation, then music generation, and so many things that you can use with this particular bot. You just have to search for Telegram AI, like it will just pop up that bot. But this is really a game changer. Instead of going to multiple platforms, you just have to concentrate on your Telegram so that you do it so good. So Now this is what we have all been waiting for. Feature 1, best feature for 2025, the winner of all categories. In fact, I can call this a Telegram superpower. Yes, some platforms may have it, but since we're dealing with Telegram, this is really huge. And even you see WhatsApp itself, the competitor itself doesn't have this feature. Like it may have this feature, but it's so limited. But again, thanks to Telegram, for sure this is really a game changer. The award-winning feature in this category, it goes to Cloud Sync and multi-device. What it does, all chats are stored in the cloud. Access Telegram from any device, no backup needed. Now this feature, you can log in however much devices you can. Compared to WhatsApp, it's too limited that you can log in not exceeding 5 devices. But again, this one is unlimited devices. You can log in as many devices as you want, which is a game changer. And you don't just end up logging in to other devices, but again, restore all your chats. All your chats are stored in the Telegram servers, which beats a lot of messaging apps where you find some messaging apps when you lose like maybe your device, it may be hard to get all the history of maybe your contacts or something like that. I really like this feature. I wish one day WhatsApp will consider it, but remember, WhatsApp is privacy based. It says that it doesn't store our chats to its servers, but I think at some point it does, but this is for a separate video. A shout out to Telegram for implementing these features. Now this is why this feature really wins in all these categories. When you lose your device, you can still access your chat. In case you've changed your phone, still you can access your chat. This is really handy. And that is it, the top 10 Telegram features of 2025. Now Telegram isn't just a messaging app anymore. It is a communication, storage, automation, and community, all in just one app. Now let me know in the comments which is your top feature, because this list I just drafted my own list of the top features, but you may consider which is best for you. So let me know in the comment section, so I will push this conversation to the comment section itself. I'll reply to all your comments. And yeah, that has been it for today's top 10 award. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, blessings.